Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes using flour. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for that perfect rise. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance the taste. For the wet ingredients, have 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. These basic items are all you need to start your pancake journey. Now let's mix our batter for fluffy pancakes. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, whisking them well to ensure even distribution. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk together the egg, milk, and melted butter until they are fully blended. Next, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are actually good for tender pancakes. It's time to cook those delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test the temperature by flicking a few drops of water onto it. They should sizzle. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the top and the edges look set. Then, flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, until they are beautifully golden brown. Your homemade pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a generous drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. If you're making a large batch, you can keep cooked pancakes warm by placing them on a baking sheet in an oven set to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your perfectly fluffy, warm pancakes for a delightful breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.